The Portable Stick Welder 110V Model 20-120A features an advanced IGBT inverter that ensures a stable welding output ranging from 20 to 120 amperes. This welder is highly versatile, accommodating multiple rod sizes, making it ideal for a variety of metals such as stainless steel, mild steel, and iron. Safety is a priority with built-in protections against overheating, overcurrent, and overloading, allowing it to function effectively even at -25°C. Weighing only 3.3 pounds, its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle with one hand, perfect for aerial work and easy storage. The welder comes equipped with high-quality accessories including 20 welding rods, a pair of nylon welding gloves, and a protective mask, ensuring durability and ease of use. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this welding machine offers peace of mind and reliable performance, making it a valuable addition to any DIY enthusiast's toolkit.